Hi guys, this is the Innovative Minds Twitter. In this video, we are going to work with factorization by highest common factor, grade 10, right? These are typical exam questions. In this video, you are going to learn how to work out such expressions, right? How to factorize them using highest common factor. Oh, they really love this in an examination. Yes, hope this video will help you to do that. Right, let's first tackle the first question. We are given 4x minus x cubed. First thing first is to look out for a common factor or a highest common factor. Secondly, you can, let's see what we could do. Take out the common factor there. Right. No, it's not 4. Yo, that's not the 4 is not the highest common factor. Then what do we do then? Or the highest common factor, guys, it's x, right? It's the highest common factor. It's common. So in this manner, what we could do, we could take out x, then we're left with 4 minus, to get to x cubed we need x squared, so it will be x, open the bracket, 4 minus x squared, right? So what we can see there's a difference of 2 squares. There's a what? Difference of 2 squares. You should be able to see, guys. There's a difference of 2 squares there. Then that's the second path. Then let's factorize. That's why they said factorize fully. You shouldn't leave it like here. You continue further. The factors of 4, that's going to be 2. Factors of x squared, then we are going to have 2 minus x here, as well as 2 plus x. Then we are done. There's nothing that we could do. We cannot continue further from here. Then let's go to the second expression. We need to factorize. So look for what? Highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? It's x. We factor out here, then you'll be left with x, because x times x should give you x squared. Then to get to negative 1, we need to get to negative x, we need minus 1 here, because once we say x times negative 1, that will give us negative x, right? Hope you are learning. So then let's go to the second to the third equation. What is the highest common factor here? The highest common factor, it's 2. 2 can be divisible to a whole expression, right? Let's factor out. We'll be left with p squared. 2 times p squared is 2p squared, and 2 times to get to negative 2p, we need just negative 1 minus p. So let's put p. To get to 12, we need minus 6, because 2 times negative 6 is 12. Then we're not done, because what we can see, there's a trinomial here. There's a trinomial. We can factorize. There's a trinomial, so we're going to have 2 brackets. Factors of p squared is p. Factors of 6, that will give us minus p, or minus negative 1. That will be minus 3, and that will be plus 2, because negative 3 plus 2, that's negative 1, and negative 3 times positive 2, that's negative 6, right? Hope you are learning, right? Then our last example there, it's we're given 2x squared minus 4x minus 60. So also we need to take out the highest common factor. 2 is divisible in the whole expression. Let's factor out here. Then we are left with x squared. To get to negative 14x, we need negative 7x. To get to 60, we need minus 30, because 2 times 30 is 60, and 2 times negative 6 is 14, and 2 times x squared is 2x squared. So we can see that 2 is the highest common factor. Then let's factor out. We are going to have 2 brackets, since it's a trinomial. Factors of x squared, that's going to be x and x. Factors of 30, that's going to be 10 and what? And 3. Then 10 will take a bigger sign, and this will take a a positive sign, because negative 10 plus 3, that's negative 7, and negative 10 times 3, that's negative 30. That's the end of the video, guys. Hope you've learned something. You have learned how to factorize by highest common factor. This video is specifically for grade 10. Even if you're in grade 11, there's always a room for learning. We love you.